Hello, Sridevi and Ravati and Srikanth
Ekta,
and Ekta. I just want your presence so that we can start. Okay, and I'll open this project. Yeah, who is that whistling?
That is Sridevi just messaged me. She says I'm in the meeting only, but I think her mic has a problem. I think
Sridevi's mic is there. I don't know. Okay, that's fine. She's
we
there.
can't hear you.
Anyway, I'm recording the session. Srikanth, you are there? No problem. Okay, let's start, guys. I don't want to waste much of time.
How do I mute if I have to mute my? Wait,
You will
can
have
I
an
mute
option on the
myself?
right hand side of browser actually.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, but I
they
will tell
can
you.
listen to us, but they can't speak. That's what they're saying on WhatsApp.
Okay, I think their mic.
Sridevi and Revati, they are listening, but they can't speak. I don't know. There's some problem with them.
Okay. That's fine. I think they need to allow the mic to get. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, so I'm starting now. Okay, so guys, see, I think if you might had seen it, there are a couple of scenarios which I have already written, and they're actually running fine. If I go and run this, so basically you need to run this Voyanta cucumber test, which doesn't reflect the name, but this is the test where you need to run your tests normally. So I'm just running it on your in front of you. Okay, so I think so there are a couple of scenarios which I had created, which is just login, and second thing is create proposal. Okay, visible in the list and can delete the proposal. So this is just an add-in. But yeah, but this is the main thing. Okay, so forgot about this delete stuff. Okay, normally should be visible in the list. Okay, so you can see now. See, there are a couple of scenarios which I had written, and which I mean the story is EJ12, and this is the test cases. Out of that test cases, I had taken couple of test cases and created and implemented the step definitions for that. Okay, so you can see that now it is performing all these two tests, which will basically, I think the first thing is he can able to log in and see the dashboard, and second thing is about creating a proposal, and he should be able to view the proposal in his home page. Okay, so okay, you can see that is running. Okay, so I think the first thing is about it just logs in, logs out. The second thing is about image from Srikanth. Okay, let us run the scripts first. Okay, so the scripts are running. Okay, so yeah, I think there is some problem. There is user is in dashboard, no such element. Link login. User tries to login credentials. User is in dashboard page. User is in dashboard page. Okay, just a minute. Does login. 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 Just a minute. It was failing. Go to settings. What is that image, Srikanth? Something he sent. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me concentrate on this. So, guys, yeah, there was some problem. Let me fix that. User is in homepage. User is in dashboard. User can see this. Okay, go to login page. Try to log in setting. No, I think there's a little bit of confusion. Okay, let me check. Remove this. Try to user is in dashboard page. Oh, okay. So let me comment that, and now let me run the second one. Oh no, it is running actually. Yeah, it is running. Okay, so yeah, this is the second scenario which is running, which have taken some time actually to fail. I had gone 120 seconds, but you can see that now the scenarios 2 is running, which is more of creating a proposal. So it had created a proposal with the test data, dynamic test data. Okay, so you can see that this is the newly created what you called newly created proposal. Okay, so I'm running it again. So there are two couple of rows which are running. So you can see that it here. So basically, it will go and try to create a proposal, and then check that if the proposal is created or not. So that is a basic test that I had created. Okay, so um, okay, so now see you can see the script that it is trying to log in again. It will try to create a proposal, and then the proposal should be visible. That is the first. That is one of the scenarios which I identified. The next thing which I will do is I will read all the Ramia's test cases and see if I can write more scenarios and try to automate them in front of you. Okay, will that make sense?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, see now it will go to
Yeah.
proposals page. It is going to proposal page. You click on the new button. There's a pop-up box. It handles the pop-up box. Now you can see that a new the screen. You can see that all the data is being given now. The data is created. It saved the proposal. Now it is refreshing the page just to make sure that the created proposal is there. So this is the test 4300 blah blah. That's a random number. So that is being created just now. Okay, and you can see that the test is passing. Okay, happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just show you how to create a
Yes.
new stuff. So do you guys have any doubts before I talk? I think you might had reviewed all the code and you would try to understand the framework, right? Did you have any questions before I go ahead?
Uh, yeah. I actually was a bit confused with the codes actually.
That's a very big question. I don't want that such big question. Make it short. There any specific thing that you do not understand? I will tell you.
uh, One of my confusion was the I mean I couldn't see how the data model steps class was taking in each and every. Would it be actually uh, putting all the data there, or I was a bit confused on that.
Data model is, if you see that, did you see that data
Getting
model
what
steps?
yeah, yeah,
It's all committed, right? I mean, commented,
yeah.
right?
Data model or yeah, okay,
There's something, say, if you remember, I said that this is all about database testing kind of steps.
yeah,
Okay. But in your case, you are not doing any database testing, right?
okay, fine, yeah,
Okay. So don't worry. This is all database testing thing. Just for you, if for you to understand if you want. Okay. It actually uses JDBC connections to connect to database. That's it. Okay. So no need to, you don't need to worry about it. Absolutely. Okay. So the may, I think if you want, I can delete that, but I just kept because you can see how you can come to database connection and all. But if you're confused, then I'll
okay, yeah,
remove it.
yeah, no, fine, it's okay, fine, yeah,
Yeah. The only thing that you need to consider is about entrepreneur steps. Okay. The steps is the only thing that you need to worry about. Okay. Any other questions?
okay.
Sir, it's Ramya. So the interface we are creating, entrepreneur,
Hmm.
it is just another class, right?
Entrepreneur that I created is a class. Not understand.
Entrepreneur interface.
Interface. Okay.
That is just another class, not like our Java interface, right?
No. It is an interface. It's not a Java interface. No.
Yeah, just okay.
Any other questions?
And one more thing, sir. So we have more than one run file, right?
Yeah.
So how does that work? Then each time we'll run different files depending on our requirement, what output we are looking for.
See, why we have two is if you want to run only entrepreneur test cases, you have to use
Okay.
okay because it
Hello.
is the same package of your feature files. It will only run your entrepreneur test cases. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but if you want to run multiple things, then you need to run your this cucumber test. This one, it actually you can run any kind of feature file here, but this is specific to that entrepreneur feature files because the package. See, if you see the package name is in sync. Always the package name should be in sync. That is the Cucumber JVM format. Okay, if you see that this and this is there. So if you run this, ideally it will run both of these feature files.
Oh,
Okay, so I will delete this, delete them, which is not relevant. Um, um, okay, so see, till now it not started realistically. That's the reason why I was not. Okay, I will delete all these things. But this is only for your reference. Actually, I want to even this investor. I will take wait. Okay. Just for your reference, okay, so you no need to worry about anything, just need to worry about this, okay, and for you, you guys need to I will move this here into this entrepreneur for a moment, okay. See, now this is the thing and this is for your reference, so I'll just put here, okay. So anything for your reference, you no need to worry about it.
Okay.
This is all see how complicated we can write the feature files only for that purpose, okay.
Okay.
Permissions I will take out. Okay, makes sense now. Okay, and the only thing that you need to right now worry is
That's why. So we are only going to be doing entrepreneur feature at the moment. The business rules does not belong to us, right?
no, not the thing. If you want, I can delete that also. But
No, no, it's okay. We'll just do for reference actually, but it's okay to be there just to make sure.
yeah. Okay, even if you want, I can remove this also. Okay, experimental and all.
Yeah.
Remove that. Okay, so I'm just deleting for for your purpose. Okay, data manager
Okay.
also. This is for your reference. Okay, anything for your reference, ignore it. Okay, guys. Okay, that's fine. So now let us take one more test case. Um, okay, user verify that each user plus delete option. Shall we do the edit delete stuff? Okay, we will have a delete. We'll try to delete it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the proposal delete. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So for proposal delete, the only thing is first of all you need to create a scenario. Okay, and just put the couple of test cases which are covering that. Okay, so that we can have a 100% coverage. Okay, so just to make sure that okay, so that is covered. edit proposal. Is there any delete? Yeah, delete proposal. I'm just copying them. That's it. So that we know what I mean. Like in that scenario, what we're covering. Okay. Okay. Now, um, see now for this specific test case, what is the main logic? What exactly we need to test?
We have to first select the proposal in the list and then delete it. I
Okay.
mean, the logic would be going and selecting it first, logging in and then selecting it, and then click on the delete writer.
Now tell me in a more business terms. In a more business terms, user should uh,
Uh,
user should have a proposal existing in the application,
yes,
and he should be able to delete it. And after deletion, he should not be able to see the proposal, right?
yes,
Yes.
So the precondition. See, first of all, don't go with anything else. First of all, write your steps. Given user is in. So what is the dashboard? So that is a precondition, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. And one more precondition is a proposal exists, okay, in the list. Yes or no?
yes,
Okay.
Yes.
When he deletes the proposal, which proposal? He deletes the existing
first
proposal.
proposal. Okay,
Okay, just to okay do that proposal. Then the proposal should be deleted. Okay, and user should not see the proposal. Okay. Now, do you want to give any data here or not? You guys have to tell me. Do you want to give any kind of a name of the proposal, or do you want system to create a default proposal by itself?
by default actually.
Okay. In that case, no data required here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, simple. So, is this okay for you all, other guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Anybody have any objections? You can even use Skype for me to communicate. Okay, you can just ping me if you do not like it. Yeah, looks like you guys are very good actually. Yeah, so very good. So now, if you are guys are using IntelliJ, so there is a small bulb here. Okay, or shortcut
Yeah.
is Alt Enter. Okay, and you will get this create step definition. So it will ask which step definition we need to create. Right now we are in entrepreneur step definition, so that's what I did. It created a small step. Okay, the same
Okay.
thing happens for okay. That's what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just going there. Alt enter, selecting step definition. Okay, so you can see that there are
Okay.
three steps created here. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
just deleting them. Okay, deleted. Now, what is the step? He deletes the proposal. He deletes the uh, oh, sorry, this one. A proposal exists in the list. Okay. So now think that, say now your business terms and test case writing, everything is over. Now forgot about manual testing. Come to your
Okay.
Java skills. So now what we have to do, we need to put a precondition that a proposal should be existing. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So what we can do is, see if you have any existing steps which actually have something that you can, something to say that proposal can be created. Okay, so can you see this list? Create proposal with default data.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so almost these two things are doing the same thing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what you can do is simply call that method. Don't call this method, call this method. Okay, which is the
Create proposal.
actual step definition. That's it. So which is nothing but this. This will go and create a create a what you called create a proposal for you. So you can see that there is a method called proposal page dot add new proposal.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a method. So there is a lot of code which was being created to create a proposal. But one more thing which I did is, there is a property here called proposal name. Okay, so the name of the proposal that we create will be dynamically added to the
Created.
properties of that page,
Oh, okay. Okay.
so that we can just get the proposal whenever we required. Okay, so if we go back here, what we are doing here, see properly, be very careful. So a proposal, so we are creating a proposal which is already done. Now the next step is he deletes the proposal exist. Okay, no, I will not. Delete the existing proposal. Okay, I'll just change this. Okay, so he deletes the existing proposal. But how do we get the name ID of that proposal? First of all, there are two things. We need to delete the existing proposal. So for always, here you always have to create your method in interface. Okay, so first of all, put entrepreneur interface dot delete existing. Okay, that's it. You
Okay.
don't need to worry about the name. Okay, just give that. Okay.
Okay.
Now click on Alt Enter, create a method in that class. So this is a method created. So now we need to delete the proposal. So first of all, you need to see here. You can create a method called delete proposal. So proposal page dot
Okay.
delete proposal. Okay, but here you need to give the ID of that. What is the proposal ID? Is nothing but proposal page dot get the proposal name. There is a getter method there.
Hmm.
Okay, which is nothing but here. So it returns the proposal. So we can't directly access the variables. It is not correct. We need to use getter methods. So I got the proposal
Okay.
name. Okay, and I created a method in proposal page. Okay, so I created a method in proposal page. That's it. So now here I need to implement the actual WebDriver functions. Okay.
Okay.
So now what is the task? The task is nothing but you need to go to that page and select that specific uh, proposal and go and delete that, right?
Yes.
So for that manually, so I'm not doing anything, but I'm just manually going and trying to do that. Okay, Entrostor dot. Okay, so what I need to do? This is all implemented. No need to worry about that. The only thing that you need to worry about is deleting the proposal. Okay, so you click on this. Okay, so now somehow user will give the name of the proposal. It can be anything. We need to go and delete it, right? First of all, what we need to do, we need to get the locator of that specific proposal,
Proposal.
right?
Proposal.
So if we
Yes.
get the locator of this proposal and if we get this crossbox locator, then the task is simply going and clicking it, right?
Yep.
Yes.
For that, we need to first of all little bit do investigation upon how we can dynamically do that. So we need the simple task is simple. User will give you the title of that proposal. You need to go and
Yes.
get the locator of that proposal's delete button.
Hmm.
Okay. So we need to do. Even I don't know. I am just like you. I need to. I'm just thinking what I need to do. First of all, so there is some MP item inner. There is something like this. This avatar and in block. Okay. Edit and close. Okay. So first of all, we need to.
We need to
Uh,
do an XPath focus, right?
so there are two ways. Either XPath or we can use find elements and get that specific name, what you call that specific item or that specific div actually. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So be very careful. See very carefully. So this is the actual M item is the mother of all these things. And if I get the
Okay.
text out of it and see what I can get the text, how what kind of text I can get. Okay.
Okay.
So simply, so what is the driver? Driver is nothing but voyant driver dot get current. Always you need to use that get
Okay.
current driver. Okay, this is the actual web driver. Now we need to use find elements.
Okay.
What is that elements? Elements is nothing but by dot class name, which is nothing but this. So
Okay.
it will give a list of web elements. Okay. Okay. Now
Yeah.
you have to traverse through. You need to use for each web element, elements. Okay, and if you want, you can print that. So logger dot info uh, element dot get text. That's it. So that now you can print. It will print all these things. First of all, let it print and see how it is printing. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
run this.
Yeah.
How to run this is simply just copy this what you call it filter, put that and run it. That's it. See, your framework is very strong. You don't need to worry about anything. Just you need to go and run it. That's it. And see now it prints. If it is printing the correct ID, then we can just go and put if condition and get that element, right?
Yeah.
Some
Yep.
problem with it. Yeah. Business tools. Oh no. We're passing entrepreneur feature. This is some syntax problems. Wait. Oh no. This is a syntaxical problem. Okay, don't worry. Oh no. Okay, don't like this here. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, see that it's running commentary here. Okay, it logged in with this username and password.
Oh, okay.
Okay, null pointer exception. Okay, create a proposal. Give me 1 second. Okay, there's a page object, right? So we need to this is a page object. Okay, so which page? I mean, it is throwing null pointer exception because the object is not instantiated. So we need to go to proposal page to call that method. Then only we will get that. That's fine. For a moment, I will try to create in the constructor. Okay. Okay, it will run now. Normally, we need to there is a method actually. I mean, the flow is a little bit different, but that's fine. No problem. You can put in constructor. Now you should not get any problem. So logging in success. No, we actually there is a little bit flow problem. Wait, I'll tell you. Okay, see the problem is there is a couple of methods which you need to call. We can't directly go and create, right? So we need to go to that proposal page, right? So this is it navigates to proposal page. We missed this. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
There is in dashboard, which means okay. So so this is all flow actually. Okay. So here we need to call that method also. Okay.
Yeah.
Navigates to proposal page and which actually so now this is fine. No need to now we can remove this. What is that? We can remove it. Now the flow is okay. Okay, can see that? Can see that
Yes.
it had now printed all the list of proposals, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And it also created that active inactive text also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now
Also, we have to select the active. Okay.
I mean it is that nothing but it is even printing this text and this text also.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can use contains method and we can get it. That's it, simple. Okay. So what we did now, uh, so what we can do is if element dot get text dot contains your proposal name. Okay, so now if that contains that, now what we got this element which is nothing but the actual box. Okay, now in that box we need to select this which is nothing but the cross button, right? In that we need to get a close button. So simply now
Yes.
see, we got that box. Now in that box we need to search something else. So now element dot find element again by class name and close dot click. All right. See, so this is okay.
Okay. So we are trying to find the code will actually get the proposal name, and wherever the proposal name is in that box, it goes and clicks on the X button.
Yeah, we are getting element of that proposal, nothing but the box,
Yeah.
and then in that box again we are finding an element which is a close. Means in this box how many close you will have?
What do you want?
Only one. So obviously
One.
get this and we'll click it. Okay. So if you are okay, that's it. So that proposal delete the existing proposal. Okay. So I will just put a thread dot sleep after that for you guys to actually have a look. Okay. Okay. Shall I go and
Yes.
see now?
Yes, please.
Okay. So I'm just debugging it. Okay. So no need to worry about it. Okay. So once the code is good, everything will be fine. Okay. So now we are here. So what so it is, so it did not create the proposal yet. Now what is the proposal it is creating? What is the number? This 190 blah blah blah, right?
190. Yeah.
Okay. So now
190. Yeah.
okay. So now see that it will create a let us say okay, create proposal with the default that you did not submit or not, right? No wait. Okay, just a minute. Proposal should be created successfully. Created proposal. Create proposal. Just a minute. You put, yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So Yeah. Why it's not created? Oh, do we need to refresh it? Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, now see that. Is it created now? Okay, so we need to create a refresh. There is a refresh option that we need to put. Okay, after adding a proposal, we need to refresh. So the problem is data is not getting refreshed. Okay, so driver dot manage dot refresh. Manage dot window dot refresh. What is the refresh, guys? What is refresh option? Driver dot navigate dot refresh.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that's the problem. Okay, anyway, that we did now. Now see that what will happen. Oh, there's a pop-up box after deleting. See, if you click on that, there's a pop-up box, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that we not handle. That is the reason why. So now you can see that it is. You try to delete it, but you can see that there's an exception called unhandled alert box.
Okay.
Okay. So now, how to handle that exception alerts? Do any of you know what is the command to handle alert? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes time. Google it and give me the code in Skype. Not switch to alert. How to accept alerts? How to accept means we need to click on OK button. See, if you click on this, it should have a OK button. See here, click on that. I need to click on OK button. So what is the code for that? Google it if you don't know. But I think we already discussed that in classroom and so many places. Alert dot switch to alert dot accept. Is there any other way? Except Ravati, anybody else? Google it. Come on, guys. Is there only one person in the class?
I also got the same method, sir. That's why.
Okay. And try something different. Okay. Okay. I can't wait long. You wish. Okay. Fine. So we have because we are in yeah, that's fine. Okay. So because we have framework, we have already one method called accept alert. Okay, so that is advantage of framework. Just I type it vutils and see if that is available. Okay, that's it. And yeah, in that also internally we are using that. enter dot get current driver switch to accept and alert and accept. So that is fine using that. Okay, but we are using as a reusable method. Okay, why reusable method? If tomorrow if you want to do anything like just give a message to the user that I'm accept closing the what you call alert, so I can do like this. Okay, makes sense. That is the advantage of wrapping out all the methods. Okay, that's it, nothing to worry. Okay, again run it. Previously you know that, so this is the kind of challenges that you will get in real time if you do it. You thought if you can delete something, but you got two problems. One is refresh is a problem, second thing is accept is a problem. So you have to do it, then you will get experience, otherwise you won't get any experience. Within 30 minutes of our discussion, we had found two major problems with automation, which we had handled it. Okay, so how you will get that experience? Till you go and write your code, nobody will get that. Okay, so that is the point. See, there is one alert box while creating. There is one alert box while deleting also. Okay, so now it is here. So now ideally the 7315 should go. Okay, okay, guys.
Yep.
Refresh the page. Is that gone?
Yeah.
Okay, but we forgot to refresh the page, right? We'll do that also. Always Voyantra driver. Okay, I'll change this name anyway. A lot of methods here. Is refresh there. Why don't we directly create that method? Why are you doing always manage refresh? Okay, so what I will do is see. So you no need to do all these things. I'm doing for my purpose. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now you can simply use refresh. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now I will run it, and you can see the commentary below it. Which one is created, which one is deleted, everything. Okay. Now we need to make sure that it is deleted. So there are a couple of more steps we need to implement, and after that we will complete the class today. Okay. So when he deletes, so that is implemented. What should be the proposal should be deleted. So this is what we need to do. So we need to verify that that specific thing is not existing. Okay, so how to implement that step? Can anybody give an idea? Give me some idea about how we can do that. We need to ideally we need to check that a specific created proposal ID which is already there, that should not be existing. So how to verify that? Any idea? So
Yeah,
I
we
got
need to put an assertion of the same proposal name Like if it is displayed in the list or not?
A session, but how?
With that proposal name, we can put it like if that proposal name is displayed.
Is displayed. Okay. Okay. What is this? Oh. Not the right place. Okay. Get the list of existing proposals. Okay. Anything else? Any other idea? Okay, I'll do that. So we'll do one thing. We'll get the list of proposal in a list of array or something like that, and check that in that array the given proposal is not existing. First of all, we'll get the list of proposals in the list of strings. Okay. So yeah, what is this interface, right? Proposal. So anything. This is normal. This is interface, right? Okay. So there's no logic here. Okay, this doesn't make any sense here. But after next level, we need to implement that. Okay. So now proposal page dot get a list of
List of
proposals. Okay. So how where we'll get that into. Okay. Proposals. Okay. So that's what, guys. See, we need to use all Java. This is all Java. This is what. Okay. This is a list of proposals. Now what we do, if there's a method. Okay. Now we have in list proposals dot. So what is the list? The methods available for the list contains. See, contains what? The deleted proposal. So proposal page dot get proposal name. Okay, and we should make that as false. So verify voyant verify utils is nothing but our assets. Okay, true equals where is true? Yeah, verify false is nothing but that should be false. So it should not contain that proposal, right? Understood? That's it. Okay, understood now? Okay, guys.
Sir, I don't get it. This one, verify utils dot fails. I don't get it. This.
See, it is false. See what we are telling. We are telling that first of all, get the list of proposals. Means A, B,
Yeah,
C, D. It should get A, B, C, D till Z.
yeah,
In that Z, because we already deleted, we are expecting that that string, which is maybe a one should not be there in ABC, right?
yeah,
Means the proposal that we created that we deleted means the test case should pass if that is not there in the list of existing proposals.
yeah,
If that is existing, then if it is existing, then there is a bug. Means
yeah.
whatever should be deleted, it's not deleted properly. So that's the reason why I am saying it is false. Means it should not contain. Means list of
Okay,
items should
yeah,
not contain the proposal that you already created and
yeah,
deleted.
yeah. I got it.
Okay. Yeah. Now I will put the implementation part. This is very simple. because we already got this logic, right? Okay, so create a list of strings. Is equal to, no need to put new, is equal to null, right? Basically, okay. So this if condition is not required here. Okay, and we need to see it will get the active and inactive thing also. We need to remove that, right? Right. Okay, so we need to get text dot replace active with what? With blank. Okay, dot replace again. What is that? Inactive, right?
Yeah. This
Deactive.
is active and inactive of which one? Of the proposal delete, right?
Yeah, this one actually. Inactive, active. Yeah. So in that string, so if you remember, we used to get the string like this. Is that? Okay, just a minute. See, there is a string which have active and inactive characters in it, right?
Active
Okay.
and inactive characters, yes.
Inactive, active. I'll tell you, wait. Okay. So let me, first of all, I'll print this. You'll understand. Okay. Okay. I'll show you how to do, how it is working. Okay. So, no, this is not required. So add this. Okay, it's all okay. So it is that now we'll return what will return proposals. That's it, over. Okay, and I'll show you how it will work. Okay, active, inactive, active, deactive also we need to remove. Okay. Okay, so you will understand, don't worry. Okay. Active, see these are all words, active, deactive and all, I'm removing it from it. Okay. Or you can do it in a little bit more smarter way. Wait. Okay, so this is having this, right? Yeah, that's fine. Whatever we did is perfect. Okay. Now I will put a. Actually, I can put a comment on this first line, even second line also. But that's fine. Let it complete. Okay, and the final thing is you should not see the proposal. That's fine. So what is the difference? The proposal should be deleted. User should not see the proposal. What is the difference? Okay, I'll remove this
After
line. Okay.
deleting it, it should not be viewed, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, this doesn't make any sense. Okay. You will understand. Okay, I'll tell you, Liju. The point is just removing that unwanted text and then getting a proper list of elements. Now it's creating a proposal. Okay, you see the console. It had created a proposal with this name. Okay, so now it deleted that. Okay, now it will refresh it. Okay, now it will get the list of elements. Means it will, hopefully it will stop there. Okay, so now see, Liju, see this. See, what is this? If you see this, this is what it is bringing, right?
Yeah.
So this is, if you see that element dot get text, the text is not only that actual text, it is getting that active and inactive also.
Okay, okay. So you're deleting that out.
Yeah, we
Okay.
need to delete that. Okay, even that slash and also I need to delete that. Let us see what I can do. Okay, now see. Oh no, it's oh exception. Just a minute. It had an exception. Null point exception. Oh, okay. So this is the problem that we did not initialize that list. Uh, yeah. So this is what we need to should not do. Okay. Forgot the syntax. No, it's on a new word. Okay. Abstract list cannot be. So it is array list. Uh, abstract array list. What is that list? Okay. See, list is an interface. Okay. So
Right.
now this is okay. Now, um, okay, and we also need to remove that. What is that thing? Slash and right. Okay. Let us do this. Remove slash and. Okay. Let me run. So it will print. Okay. Let it print. Then let me. Okay. We are done. Okay. 9:30 we will complete, guys. Just 4 minutes. Okay. So I will commit the code, and I will. There's a video which I am taking already. I will try to publish that video. Okay. But see, guys, it's not easy. Okay. Even though I have experience, it takes a lot of time. You need to spend time, sit, and then do it. Otherwise, you won't get it. It's not simple. Okay. You need to apply all your Java skills. You need to put a lot of effort. Try to understand the things. It's not easy. Okay, and it is not easy to get a job also. Just like that as an automation tester. You need to work. You need to struggle. Okay.
When we are trying to automate it, we don't have to create new methods, right? Only we have to use those methods which has already been created into our. If we don't have to create any new ones, right?
Yeah, if required, we need to do it.
Okay.
Okay, if required, say if required, we need to do it. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, so you can see that. See now, can you? Okay, so I'm at a debugged it actually. Okay, allow to be false. So this is okay. So this is now working. So it is passed. Basically, the complete thing is passed. Okay, but the only thing is we did not see it internally. But actually, because it is deleted, it is passed. Okay, but if you remove this refresh thing now, then it will fail. Ideally, it should fail. Okay. Uh,
Right.
but I'm just waiting for this slash and to go away. Give me one more minute. Okay, see, after I'll show you it. I'll just show you. I mean, see, we're not printing anything. Everything is going as an object. That's the reason why you can't see a complete data, but internally everything is happening. Okay, I'll show you that in debug mode. I meant to debug it before. Okay, so like that, you guys. I mean, like I'll show you that, but that is the way you need to do it. So you take your paste your test cases from your Jira and try to club 2 to 3 test cases into one scenario, write it down, and then implement the step definitions. That's it. How you do it is all yours. Your framework. See how I did today. Go and see, and then try to implement yourself. It's all creating page objects and methods. That's it. Nothing great. Okay.
So sir, basically is page object model and BDD in this framework.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah. Yeah. See, proposal page. This is what in this only we are putting all the logic is in page object. So
Yep.
proposal page
Okay.
is a page object.
See, just hand it out. Like for example, in mine, when I have to go and check whether the message has received my email, how do I do with this framework?
For email, that's a different thing. You have to go to a dummy. There are a lot of dummy email. See, simply for email means you need to go to that. You need to create a page object of email and then log in and then try to verify it. Okay, so it's
Okay.
not a big. It's not anything great, right? Email is nothing but a web page. That's it.
Okay.
Yes or no? Okay. Anyway, see now this is still coming, right? Slash and that's what I need to remove. Okay. Yeah, Srikanth Gaud said it is you can use that mailinator also, but
Yeah.
normally you can use anything. Okay. So I'm removing that.
Mailinator. The only problem is when I was trying to doing this one, they didn't accept the mailinator's email ID. I mean, the website did not. They said it's a fake email.
Oh, is
You
it?
have to. Yeah, yeah, that they did.
I don't know that. Okay, is it? Mhm. Okay. Okay. See, I will try to replace this, and I can test it on the fly here. Okay. And now try to see what I can get this. Ultimately, this is the string and I'm putting in this list of strings, right? Ah, yeah, coming. Element. So that element is over. Okay, let me get again. So now I will execute this thing, which is the changed one. So now I should get the perfect name. All this deactivate, activate should go away. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. Still, that slash n is there, right? What is that? Yes. See now,
Hmm.
okay, it is a perfect name. That's what I want. Okay. So now if I remove this and debug it again, uh, okay, now it should work. That's it. Okay, so I will run it. Hopefully now everything, all this active, deactive, slash, and everything will go away. We will get the perfect names into the string, and we will verify that. Okay. And uh, we will try to. So there is a bug. Actually, there is a bug, which is after delete or after delete also it is showing if you don't refresh it. So I will comment that refresh line and see whether the test case is failing or not. Okay, so that
Okay.
we know that it is actually catching a bug. We had did a workaround by putting that refresh thing just to make the things flow properly. But actually, if I comment that, then the test case should fail. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. it is deleting this proposal, so you can see that what is happening. Okay. You can now see. Okay, so now in the list, see, you got a proper thing, right? This is what I'm expecting. Okay, I will
Okay.
complete that. Now it should anyway. It will pass. Okay, and how it will fail. So now it is passed, no problem. But if I remove that workaround, means if I really need to catch a bug, that's the reason why I had taken this thing. If you remember, I had kept a refresh somewhere. Okay, so if I comment this, now see that the test case, the it is actually BDD. Now it will fail, means it is catching a bug. Okay, you can see that. So the effectiveness of testing, you can test the test case itself. Okay, but where did I delete first proposal? That's fine. Yeah, here only. That's fine. Okay. Okay, so I will commit this code. I'll show you how to commit the code also, and then we'll push off. Maybe a couple of minutes. Yes. See that? It failed or not? Why it is failed?
Because it's not refreshed, so that it's still finding the proposal there.
Yes. So the proposal that we created, which is 7094, you can see that that is in the list,
Okay.
right? So whatever we deleted is still showing if you don't refresh it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. See how effective our test cases are. So see, normally what we do in real time is we will write this. It is failing. We will raise a defect and give to developer.
Yeah.
So he's now what he have to do. You need to fix that and run this script again, and this script should pass. So no refresh,
Okay.
nothing, but he should fix it so that it will not show in the list.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Hopefully this is a useful session for you. I'm committing the code straight away into Git. Okay, which you all have access. Okay, so not only this, um, complete project I will select so that it will select all these things. Okay, commit directory, it will show whatever I deleted. So the lot of things I changed. Okay, they're all acceptable now. More scenarios. Okay, so commit and push is going. So how to verify whether properly committed or not? Go to website and see. That's it. Okay, that's it. It's pushing, pushing, pushing. Okay, hopefully nobody had
Yeah.
written anything. That is why not wrote any conflicts. See now, when is the last commit?
Just
18 seconds.
18 seconds ago.
Okay, means it is success. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, guys. So enjoy your rest of the day, and yeah, this is the way. So it is all yours. So now, what are the test cases that you had created? Simply go and create your own feature file. Don't merge with other people.
Okay.
So go to entrepreneur, create a new file called whatever it is your module. So example it is SW7. Put SW7 dot feature. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then now put whatever it is. So this is nobody will touch that. Okay.
Yeah.
And also make sure that always pull your code and then commit it. Okay. I think Srikanth had send you a document how to do that. So you first of all pull your code Stage it, pull, commit. Don't just simply commit. You'll get conflicts. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Srikanth, if they need any help, help them. Okay, guys. So this is the end of the session, and
Okay.
hopefully, please again, I'm telling you need to practice. You need to spend time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
guys.
Thank you.
Good night then.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, close this. 1, 2, 3. So beautiful.